Hello and welcome to my Easy Cooking Kitchen, or ECK for short. Before we get started, make sure you give this video a like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out any new videos coming out. I found out about this dish about 9 years ago, and I think it's time for me to share it with you guys. So this month I'll show you how to make some tahini stuffed meatballs. With that said, let's go. Here's what you'll need. I didn't have fresh coriander, so I used 3 tablespoons of ground coriander. My beef was in the freezer for a bit, hence the color. Add everything but the oil and tahini to the beef. As you can see, I added the spices but forgot the onion and garlic. Now that everything is in, combine well but don't overwork the meat. Form small bowl-shaped patties, flatten them and add about a teaspoon of tahini in the middle. Close it, don't be afraid to add some meat to seal it properly and set it aside. Once you've prepared all of them, to the freezer for 30 minutes. Heat the oil over medium-high heat and then add the meatballs. Cover with the lid and fry for 3 to 4 minutes till brown. Flip and fry for another 4 minutes without the lid. Let the meatballs cool for about 5 minutes before eating. Just look at that. I couldn't help myself and ate the entire meatball there. I also made some in the air fryer, 195 Celsius for 12 minutes with a slightly oiled tray. You'll see the difference on the last 2 pictures. I actually prefer the air fryer version, but let me know in the comments below if you agree or prefer the fried one. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, don't forget that bell for notifications, and share it with your friends. You can follow this channel on Instagram, but most importantly, bon appetit!